In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Slack. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply trying to keep track of your daily tasks, setting reminders in Slack is a great way to stay organized and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, you'll want to head over to Slack. Open your preferred web browser and type in Slack's URL, or click on the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Slack account. If you have an existing account, you can do this by entering your email address. If you prefer a more streamlined login, you can also use your Google or Apple account to sign in. This is particularly handy if you use these services routinely, as it can save you from remembering yet another password. After logging in, you'll be directed to a page where you need to select your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one where you want to set your reminder. This ensures the reminder is set in the right context and reaches the right audience. Next, you'll want to choose whether you're going to continue using the browser version of Slack or switch to the desktop app. Both versions offer similar functionalities, so it really comes down to your personal preference. The desktop app tends to be slightly faster and offers a more integrated experience if you find yourself using Slack frequently throughout the day. Once you're inside your workspace, go to your direct messages and click on your own name. This will open up a personal message field where you can set reminders for yourself. It's a simple and effective way to keep track of your personal tasks inside Slack. In the message field, type out the /command, remind. As you start typing, you'll see an autofill option appear for Set Yourself a Reminder. Go ahead and select that option. Slack will present you with a pop-up where you can specify the details of your reminder. In this pop-up, you'll be able to choose the date, time, and a brief description for your reminder. Be sure to add enough information in the description to provide context at the moment the reminder pops up. For instance, if it's a meeting reminder, include the meeting link or main talking points. This can be a real-time saver. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, simply click on Save. And that's it. Your reminder is now set, and you'll receive a notification from Slack at the specified time. This can be incredibly useful in managing your day-to-day activities effectively. And there you have it. Setting reminders in Slack is as simple as that, helping you keep everything on track without missing a beat. Enjoy this feature as you navigate through your busy schedule.